Hello everyone, I am Rohit. I, on behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters, and in short, how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today the chapter that I'll be covering is from NCERT Board Class 4. Subject is English and the name of the chapter is Helen Keller. The innovation that I'll be using for covering this lesson is concept explanation. The main innovation behind this idea is to give the students a hands-on experience so that they can easily relate their things to their day-to-day life. Some of the important concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation are learning about vocabulary and learning about adverbs of frequency. The time duration for implementing this idea is 40 minutes. First of all, we'll focus on building the theme of the lesson with the help of audio self-visualization. We initiate to build curiosity among the students. We initiate a class with a question like, do you know what a role model is? We accept all the responses, then inform them that role model is someone to whom we look up to from whom we take inspirations from. Like it can be either your mother, it can be either your father, it can be someone, a fictional character from animation movie, or it can be someone from history also. Then we give them some time to think about their role model and why do they think they are their role model. After that, we allow them to tell all the students that who is their role model and why do they think that they followed their role model for. Then we tell them that there are different types of that there are many role models around across the world whom most of the people follow, and one of them is Helen Keller. We initiate the name of Helen Keller because we want to move our discussion towards the theme of the lesson. We ask them a few questions like, do you know who Helen Keller is? We take the responses. Do you know why she was famous for? Why people or most of the people follow her? We take the responses. We inform them that Helen Keller was deaf and blind, but still she achieved many successes throughout her life. Then we continue the discussion. We tell the students, okay, tell me, if Helen Keller was deaf and dumb, how did you think that she managed to achieve so much? Do you think there must be a different kind of language for those who cannot see or hear? Through this, we can also give them an overview about the Braille script that the blind people use for learning, and about the different sign languages also. We can also give them an overview of that. Next, we focus on giving the students the concept of adverbs of frequency. Before starting the activity, we write on a blackboard class 4 survey, and we tell the students that today we will be doing one survey, and we inform them that survey is something where we collect data for a particular work, and then we write 4 adverbs like always, often, sometimes, never. Then we tell the students that now I'll be asking you questions, but your answers should contain any of these words. Suppose, for example, we can say like, how often do you listen to your teacher? Answers could be, do you always listen to your teacher? Do you sometimes listen to your teacher? Do you never listen to your teacher? And so on. Then we inform the students that these are the adverbs of frequency, and we can also use different questions like, how often do you listen to your parents, or how often do you visit your grandparents, or how often do you fight with your brother, sister, etc. We tell them about the different adverbs of frequency, like how always means most frequent, how sometimes means not least frequent, and how never means least frequent. That way we continue giving them the concept of different adverbs of frequency, making them understand where to use these adverbs of frequency at what situation, what adverb should be used, and so on. This way, we continue with the class, giving them various concepts, not only about the lesson, but also about adverbs and frequencies, and also about different role models and all. And that's all for this video. And if you continue teaching students in this manner, you'll be getting a lots of benefits. Apart from learning basic learning about the lesson, they will also be developing the critical thinking process, interpersonal skills, and they will also learn how to respond to simple instructions given in English, or also how to write few sentences here and there in English, and so on. That's all for this video. If you like this video and if you want more of such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI.